Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video, we are going to solve this viral problem. The question is 64 raised to the power x. This is equal to x raised to the power 192. We find the value of x. So let's start. Given question is 64 raised to the power x is equal to x raised to the power 192. So in the first step, we take a power 1 over x on both sides of this equation. So in the next step, we apply the exponent rule, which is a raised to the power n multiply m. We write this as a raised to the power a raised to the power product of n m. We apply this property on this value. So this is a 64 raised to the power x multiply 1 over x. And this will become x raised to the power 192 multiply 1 over x. So look at this x and x will cancel. We just get a 64 raised to the power 1, which is also equal to 64. This will become x raised to the power 192 over x. And in the next step, we take a power 1 over 192 on both sides of this equation. So this is a 64, take a power 1 over 192 on this side, and this is a x raised to the power 192 over x, take a power 1 over 192 on this side. And this is a 64. We write this as a 2 raised to the power 6, which is equal to 64, and this is a 1 over 192. This is equal to, we apply this property in this value. So this is a x raised to the power 192 over x multiply 1 over 192. So this will cancel. We just get a x raised to the power 1 over x. We apply the above property in this value. So this is our 2 raised to the power 6 multiply 1 over 192. And in the next step, we cancel these two values. So 6 ones are 6 and 6 threes are 18. So this will become a 12. 6 twos are 12. So this is a 2 raised to the power 1 over 32, and this is a x raised to the power 1 over x. On the next step, we write this 1 over 32 as a 2 over 64. If we cancel this value, 2 ones are 2 and 2 32s are 64. Then we get this exponent. We copy this value as it is. Now in the next step, we write this value as a 2 raised to the power 2 multiply 1 over 64. And this is equal to x raised to the power 1 over x. And again we use this exponent property, a raised to the power product of n m. This is equal to a raised to the power n multiply m. So we apply this property on this value. So this is a 2 raised to the power 2 multiply 1 over 64. This is equal to x raised to the power 1 over x. So 2 raised to the power 2 is a 4. So it's a 4 raised to the power 1 over 64. This is equal to x raised to the power 1 over x. And in the next step, we write this 1 over 64 as a 2 over 128. This is also equal to 1 over 64. This is equal to x raised to the power 1 over x. Again, we use this exponent rule on this value. So we write this as a 4 square multiply 1 over 128. This is equal to x raised to the power 1 over x. And 4 square, this is equal to 16, and this is a 1 over 28. This is equal to x raised to the power 1 over x. Again in the next step, we write this power 1 over 128 as a 2 over 256. This is equal to x raised to the power 1 over x. We write, again use this exponent rule. We write this as a 16 square multiplied to 1 raised to the power 256. This is equal to x raised to the power 1 over x. and 16 square, this is equal to 256. Power is 1 over 256, this is equal to x raised to the power x. If we compare our left hand side and right hand side, this implies 256, this is the value of x. And we have done. Thank you.